Hey guys, it's Tech Confetti, and today we are doing an unboxing video on the Nintendo Switch V2. You may be wondering why I'm doing this, and it's because around late 2021, the Nintendo Switch Pro will be coming out in stores, and most of you probably will be having your hands on them, and I might as well do an unboxing video and see if the Nintendo Switch V2 is still worth it today or in the coming months when the Pro version releases. So without further ado, let the unboxing begin. So I picked this up at my local store. So it's the gray matte version of the Nintendo Switch V2. It's an MDE version, as you can see from the bottom. Alright, let's unbox this. Let's open it. Oh wow, okay. Never gets old, right? So, let's leave this out first and let us look at the accessories that come with the Switch. So first off, we got the adapter. So for the MDE version, it's a so if you're gonna buy this, you might want an extension cord or an adapter, so this will fit in your power outlet. Okay, see, it has 3 prongs, one big one here and 2 slightly big ones here. It's pretty long. Yeah, let's untangle these. Yeah, I remember the days when you want to be lazy, just want to be in bed, then you just want to plug this in after a long day's work, and yeah, it did its purpose. It's actually pretty long. We'll set that aside here, and then we got here the HDMI cable that you used to connect your dock to your Switch to your television. Again, it's pretty long, but not that long. So gotta make sure that your Switch and your dock is kind of pretty near your television or where you will place it in your monitor, whatever. So okay. Says HDMI, and it has the Nintendo logo right here. Okay, so that's done. Set that aside. Next. Okay, here. So this is your grip, the Joy-Con grip that comes with the Nintendo Switch. So if you're tired with holding that heavy Switch, you can just dock your Joy-Cons here, and then you could grip it like this, and then probably hang your screen somewhere, probably a portable dock as well. Then you can play it like this. I'll show you how to attach the Joy-Cons later here. The click sound is very pleasing. So yeah. Next is yes, the dock. This is where the magic happens. Okay, so that's nice wrapping, bubble wrap, the foam keeps it really protected. So this is it. So you can see the big Switch logo at the middle. Got your stand grips here so it doesn't slip. Some of you might put it on the edge of a desk, a table. This is very helpful. Yeah. We got two USB ports right here. So this is probably where you will attach your Joy-Con, your Nintendo Switch Pro controller, your other accessories like the Pokeball Plus. You'll charge it here. This is where you'll put your Switch, the tablet, the screen. And then at the back, you can open this actually. And this is where you will put your AC adapter right here. And then another USB port. So there are 3 USB ports at this dock. Very, 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 very convenient. And then this is where you'll attach the HDMI cable that goes on your monitor or your television, wherever you please. All right. And it's nice to know that Nintendo thought of having our cables organized and not protruding or not being tangled, so they made a little space so that you can put it here, it goes through here, and then you can still close it, so it goes nicely. It's clean. That's what you're going for. You don't want tangled wires or protruding wires. Yeah, we don't want that. So it's a nice touch. You know, the Nintendo Switch was ahead of its time. And the more time goes by, it gets better. Especially with the games that come out. It really gets better. So yeah, in 2021, do I recommend buying the Switch? V2, yes. Why not? Especially if you're into Nintendo exclusive games. Yes, this is the one for you. Okay, so we'll set this aside. And let's see what's still in here. Oh yeah. Okay, so you'll attach your Joy-Cons here if you want to be using the handheld mode. Yeah, so if you want to use it, if you don't want to use the Joy-Con grip, you can use this, so you can play like, see, and you can even put your hand in it so it doesn't drop. So that's like a mini bracelet. See, and I've recently just noticed this, but I've never used these before. I never locked my Joy-Cons before for safety, but it has. You can tick these when your Joy-Cons are clicked, and it locks it in place. Whatever you do, it will never come off. And that's a feature that I missed in my months or a short year of using the Switch. It's a nice touch. Okay, so we'll set that aside and let's what's inside the box. Let's just put it all neatly back in. And go right to the main part of this unboxing video. The Switch itself. Wow. So this is the manual. Yeah. Here is the Switch in its glory. Serial. You got port. You got the power button right here. Volume rockers. And yes, it does have a headphone jack. Look at that. That's a beaut right there. This is your game card. Yeah, okay. So this at the back, the Switch logo. This, it's the stand, so you can, you know, like that. Beautiful device. All right. So here are your right and left Joy-Cons. I purposely chose this colorway because it looks more cleaner and it looks more elegant than the red and blue, but I'm not hating on that. The red and blue is very characteristic to the Switch, but I really chose this because it looks more elegant, clean. It goes well with many of my peripherals that are also of the same color. Yeah, so look at that. Yeah, it's all right. So we attach this here. Hear that click sound, so nice. And here. Oh yeah, that's good. That's nice to hear. And that is it. The Nintendo Switch V2. Yeah, this is a beaut of a device. Alright, so when I bought the V2, why not? I also bought the Pro controller as well. So here it is. I brought the European region, but it doesn't matter if you buy the Asian, the US, the HK, or the Chinese. It doesn't matter because it will connect with whatever region your Switch is. So I got an MDE Switch, and then I got a European version of the Pro controller, and there is no problem whatsoever. You can connect it, you can play with it, and you can enjoy. So I'll unbox this thing. So we got cardboard. And here is the controller itself. Wow, it is pretty huge. I did not expect this. Okay. Wow. Okay. Wow. That is a satisfying clicking sound right there. The analogs. Wow. Okay. Now I understand why people love this. Yeah, alright. So as you can see, the buttons are very clickable. Alright. You got your RL, RZ, LZ. Got your sync button. Got this Nintendo logo. Is it just me, or is this a bit translucent? you can see what's under, and I kind of like the touch. And like I said earlier, I chose the gray version because some of the peripherals, or most of my peripherals, are of this color. And I just like the way it matches. Oh, look. Wow. Okay, so what's in the box? Alright, you have the cable that you can use to charge your controller with. So you can just connect this with the dock, or you could straightly charge it using the adapter that your Switch has. So it doesn't matter, actually, whatever you prefer. Alright, so let me lay down everything. Okay, so we got the Switch here. We got the Joy. Switch control. We got the dock. We got the charger. We got the Joy-Con grip here. Cables and cables. So that is it. That is my 2021 Nintendo Switch V2 unboxing and Switch Pro controller. Alright, hope you had a nice day. See you all on my next unboxing video.